All right, this will be a real quick video that will show how to take a GIF and text that is sent to you and how to put that in the announcement if you'd like to do that for your class. So here's what you do. First of all, of course, you're going to have to download the GIF. So I come here, I hit download. Now I've got that. I'm going to go ahead and grab the text itself. Then I'm going to go to the first page of my course where I have course announcements. And I click that puppy. And now anything I use here will go out to the entire class. So I'll put in a quick title there. Then when I go to paste the text, I will always say paste as plain text. That way, if there's any weird code in there, it's not going to mess up the machine. Now this has come up with a couple unwanted spaces here, so I'll fix that. I'll make this boldface with large heading. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this and make it a link for her. So I'm going to copy that and put it in as a link. I'm going to do this, and this is worth knowing. And I'll enter the text mail to : and that will actually open it up in our email client. So that's worth knowing. And I open that in a new window. Just so you know, you don't have to do all this, but these are steps that one should know how to do. And after I hit advanced, and this is worth knowing for you to when you make your own announcements as well, you can come down here. You can click right there, and now I've got advanced set up here, so I would like to put in, please, a picture. Okay, and I'm going to search an image, and I'm going to go ahead and upload that real fast, and I'll just choose where I left that. And there it is. And then I'm going to name it. Now, it doesn't serve a purpose in this except to be really decorative. So I'm going to upload the file, and when I do, I'm going to say this is decorative image only. And I think that looks spectacular. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go post to forum. Now that's going out to all my students, and really while we're seeing this for Tanya's tool, it's worth knowing that those advanced functions work everywhere in the LMS. So if you're in MyCourses and you want to put something, look for advanced if it doesn't seem to give you the option of putting in a picture or a video, because that's how you would do that for a GIF, which is an image. Okay, so I've got it, and that's set up here. And what students will see both in the announcements within MyCourses as well as in their email is ideally something that looks like this. And you'll see the GIF is changing at intervals. So students will get an announcement with a GIF on it, and they'll be able to scroll up to the top, and they'll be able to click her address, and that will open up her email client, and they can send their note of interest to her by email. Anyways, I hope that you got a little bit out of this that you can use in other respects as well. Have a great day.